Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to print first and natural numbers using for loop. Along with the examples, I have explained how the natural numbers will be displayed by using for loop. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I am opening a Python interpreter by typing in type here to search as IDLE. So this is the application. You need to click on open. An interpreter will be opened. To create a new file, the shortcut key is Ctrl+N. Here I will write the program. So here in this particular video, I write the program to display the first n natural numbers by using for loop. I will start with a comment to write the program name. I will write Python program to print the first n natural numbers. To print first n natural numbers using for loop. So first I will read the value of n equal to int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a single quotes enter the value of n, space, single quotes close, bracket close and bracket close. So this is an input statement to read the value of n and ask that value by converting to integer and assigning the value to an variable n. And next here I will write the for loop. For space num, that means the number, in range, range, open the bracket. Here I will write as n plus 1 and close the bracket. N plus 1 and close the bracket, right colon. Press enter. You can observe the indentation space there. Now we are in the for loop. If space num space greater than symbol space 0 colon. So if this condition becomes true, press enter. So here if this condition becomes true, then we will be in the if loop. Here I will write print within a bracket num, close the bracket. Press enter. We are still in the if loop. Press the backspace. Now we are in the for loop. Again press the backspace. Now we have came out of the for loop. Now I will save this particular program. Shortcut key is Ctrl+S. I will save as natural numbers for, that means by using a for loop I am printing the natural number. Press the enter key. To run the program, the shortcut key is F5. Give the value, for example I give the value as 3. Press enter. So it will display 1, 2, 3. Similarly, again come to the script mode, press F5. I'll give the value as 5. Press enter. So it will be displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we get this particular output? So I'll explain this one. So here, so first num. So num value will be 0. Num value will be initially 0. Then afterwards, okay, num value will be 0. Then I have considered the n. So n value I will take it as which one? I will take it as n equal to, for example, 3. Then range. I have written what? range within a bracket n plus 1. That means what? It is equal to what? Range of n plus 1. N is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. That means range of 4. Okay. Now I will explain here how this particular program will be executed. First, n value is read, so I am considering as 3. Then for num in range of n plus 1, so num will be initially 0 and range of 4. 0 in range of 4, as condition becomes true, it will come here if num greater than 0. So condition becomes false because 0 is equal to 0, it is not greater. So then it will increment the value of num. So now the num value become 1. Now the num value will be 1. After this, num in range of 4. So 1 in range 4, s condition becomes true, it will enter if num greater than 0. So 1 greater than 0 condition becomes true, print num. So what is the value of num? 1. So therefore it prints the value 1. Next, it increments the value of num. Now it becomes 2. Then 2 in range of 4 condition becomes true, it will enter if num is greater than 0. 2 greater than 0, yes condition becomes true, it will enter print num. That means it will print the value as 2. Next, num value increments. Now it becomes 3. Then num in the range of n plus 1. That is what? 3 in range of 4 condition becomes true, it will enter if num is greater than 0. So 3 is greater than 0 condition becomes true, it will enter print num. That means it will print the value 3. So this one. Next, num will increment. Now it becomes 4. Then num in a range of 4. So 4 in a range of 4 condition becomes false because the range of 4, that means the stop value is 4, so it is not included, it is the excluded value. That means it will be from 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3, not 4. Okay, so therefore the condition becomes false, it comes out of the for loop. Since we are not written anything over here, just it stops the execution of the program. Suppose if we are given the n value as 6, so then here range of n plus 1, that means range of n plus 1 will be 7. Suppose if the n value is given as 5, then range of n plus 1, that is 5 plus 1 will be 6. Now we have seen up to 4 how it has printed. Then if num value is 3, after that it will print the value 3, then num is incremented, now it becomes 4. Then 4 in range of n plus 1, that is 4 in range of 6, condition becomes true. If num is greater than 0, so 4 is greater than 0, condition becomes true, then it will print num. That means it will print the value 4. Then increment the value of num again, so now it will be 5. Then num in range of n plus 1, so for num value is 5 in range of 6, because the n value is 5, condition becomes true, it will enter if num is greater than 0, condition becomes true, it will enter print num. That means it will print the value 5. Then num value increments, so since it is 5, now it becomes 6. Then for num in range of n plus 1, so range of 6, so 6 in range of 6, condition becomes false, it comes out of the loop, that is a for loop. So it will be displaying the numbers from 1 to 5. So in this way we can write a Python program to display or print the first n natural numbers using for loop. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.